What's up guys, MintyBunnie here. Today I'm going to be playing on a map. This is my first map ever. I saw a couple YouTubers, Minecraft PE YouTubers play it. I've heard about it because of a YouTuber, a very famous one. But other than that, we're going to be playing it. So let's read the rules. Lower your brightness, I'll do that later. Welcome to Wolf Run 2. The first one didn't work for me, so I'm playing the second one. A map made by Poison X and // Uh-oh. I'm so sorry. You outrun the evil wolves, but now they are back, and it won't be easy to outrun them this time. Minimum amount of wolves is 5. Mapa hecho de Poison X Y / games. Oh, I could just do that. Okay, what does it say? Map made by Poison X and // I think it's // gaming, I don't know. Ah! Oh, what the heck am I doing? What was that? That was so weird. I don't know where I'm going. This way. So far, I only got hurt once because I fell. I don't know where I'm going. I am stuck. I'm gonna die. I'm still gonna die. No. I'm going the wrong way. Where am I going? No. Where am I going? Seriously, where? Oh, I'm going back. Oh, crap. Get out there. Oh, whatever. I'm gonna die anyways. Scooty. Oh, no. One more hit, I'm dead. Well, anyways, my sister just came in. That's very weird. I'm gonna try to speak more louder since I did a voiceover once, like just a couple seconds ago, and there's a lag spike, and my voice was pretty much muted over the dogs and all the stuff, and you can still hear the music in the background, and I don't want to get a copyright or anything since she did get in there, but I did want to talk about it, and I did want to include this one clip. So other than that, this is why I'm speaking very loudly, and speaking of other things, I'm going to skip this part, so I'll be in the other part, so bye! Okay, I killed all of the wolves, even though I probably wasn't supposed to, but either way, I killed them. I should probably wait until it's morning. Well, anyways, it's getting lighter, so might switch it. Why do they keep leaving? Stop leaving. You're supposed to be wolves. You don't leave. You come. No, I don't care if my battery's dying. I don't care. I just want to go. I don't want to die. I don't got half a heart. No. Jibber. I went the wrong way. I'm gonna die. Yeah, I'm done. I am so hated this map anyway. Stupid. Oh, I made it. What? What is going on? Where are we going? Up here. No. Trap. No! No! Oh! Oh, what are you doing here? Maybe I may have the one. Never mind. I can't find it without timer. Dogs. What the heck? Okay, you are one weird dog, my friend. Anyways, let's do this one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're off. And I lost one heart. And you're gonna hear a vacuum in the bathroom in the background. What is that, a spider? I saw like a figure up there. That's creepy. I hate spiders. They creep me out. I hate all mobs. To be honest, I hate all mobs. I hate a mob. They scare me, and you can totally hear it. Oh, right here. And we're off. Another dog, another dog, another dog, another dog. Wait, gotta go this way. Can't go that way. I'm stuck. Get away. Oh, I died. Some temple run. No. I'm gonna die. And I'm dead. Oh my god. I survived. Ay. Por Dios. Ay. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that small little episode. And me breaking all the signs. I'm so sorry. But I didn't know I was breaking them. So either way, thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, do anything. I don't know. And if you want to see more of this, just slap that like button. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye. Hope you guys aren't annoyed with the background noise. Bye.